The last thing you need to do before you start putting on your Santa Claus getup is to decide and ask yourself one question: to bulge or not to bulge, as in your belly. Do you want to have the big Santa Claus belly? If you do, perhaps naturally you have one and you don't have to worry about this. But if you need a little bit of help, there are a couple of options out there. First off, you can go out and you can get in a really super expensive chassis system. Literally, I mean, think of basically having a girdle except with like basically a pocket in it, where basically it'll make you look like you have a big stomach. If you have an extra 50 to 100 bucks, by all means go and do that. We're going to do a simpler way here, which is basically to take a pillow and have some string. It can be basic string, it can be a shoelace, it can be almost anything that you can basically comfortably tie around your body. So what you're going to do is you're going to have the pillow, and try to actually be a pillow you can definitely fluff up down towards the middle to really make it where there's going to be like there's a lot of heft there. So, and then we're going to basically take our shoelace and wrap it around the body. We're going to tie it off in the front. Don't tie it off in the back, because it'll be a lot more difficult to retie if it falls off throughout the evening. And no matter how well you tie a knot, that's always a possibility. So tie it shoelace style, so you can easily get it out again if you want to actually go debellify yourself after you get out of your Santa Claus costume. And there you go. You basically now have a nice little artificial Arctic gut.